but we promised we'd work together. You always take over the writing, Lila. I want to build the timeline model, but you said my idea was too messy. I didn't mean messy like bad. I meant we only have 2 days left and...
You two look like you're carrying some heavy stuff. Need a lift to... perspective?
We time travel to the 70s?
My brother said girls can't fix tape players, so he won't help me. Now I'll miss my radio show for school. We have a project. We need to interview someone from the 70s. But first, can we help you fix it?
Lila, you hold the tape steady. I'll show her how the spools work. You guys work good together, like the Jackson 5.
No girls on our team. They just draw hearts on the poster.
It's not fair. I want to draw the timeline because I'm good at art. But they won't even listen. I did that to Lila this morning. I thought because she writes a lot, she wouldn't let me build anything cool.
And I did take over. I was scared we'd get a bad grade if it wasn't perfect. I didn't ask what your messy idea even was. So, what was your idea, Jamal?
A timeline that moves, like a subway line. Each stop is a year. Lila could write the facts for each station, and I'd rig it with string and paper clips so you pull it through. Jamal, that would get us an A+. Why didn't you just say that? You didn't ask. But I should have explained better, not just gotten mad.
We want to work together. One team. I draw, Lila writes, Jamal builds. Girls can't. Can't what? Can't be the first to land a rover on Mars. Can't write laws. Shirley Chisholm ran for president 2 years ago. She didn't ask permission. Team of 3. Approved.
Can we help with the 80s one?
You find your stop?
Partners, your words plus my build span's epic.
You two ready to present?
We interviewed someone who lived through the 70s. Her name was Keisha, and she taught us something important.
That the best projects and the best friendships have room for everyone's stop on the line. You gotta listen before you decide where someone's going. Sounds like you didn't just study history, you made it.
1974 pulls up, and we don't know what to say. Different skills, same team.